Very well. So let's begin with concept 7. Concept 7 was one-step equations. Now, one-step equations look like this. Where we have to take one step to find the amount or the value of the variable. Now, who remembers what this number is called? Like the actual mathematical term. We call it a coefficient. So we have to move the coefficient from this side to this side to be able to have the variable on its own. How would we do that? If 2 is being multiplied by x, the opposite of multiplication is going to be division. So we're going to divide 2 from both sides. And we're going to be left with 2 being canceled over here. And how many times does 2 go into 4? 2 times. So x is equal to 2. Let's move on to concept 8. Now, concept 8 was solving two-step equations. Now, exactly like we did for one-step equations, we're doing two-step equations. We're trying to get our variable alone, which again is x. And to do so, we're going to be taking 2 steps instead of 1. Now we have this negative 3. We want to move it over here to the other side of the equal sign. So we're going to add it to both sides. It cancels out here. And we're left with 5x equals, what's 12 plus 3? 15. And this looks just like our other problem, which is a one-step equation. And we divide by 5 because the opposite of multiplication is division. Cancels out right here. X and 5 goes into 15. How many times? 3. So x is equal to 3. Make sense? Very well. And our very last concept for today that we're going to be reviewing was concept 9, which was multi-step equations. So this is just equations that have more than just 2 steps. Now, let's go ahead and solve this equation. First of all, we are going to go ahead and do the commutative property. And we are going to rewrite this like so to be able to combine like terms in an easier way. Okay? So we have negative 2y and we have a positive 2y. If we combine these, it'll give us a negative 1y or just negative y. It is the same exact thing. We're going to leave it as negative 1y though. Plus 6 equals 6. What is it looking like now? A two-step equation. So what are we going to do? We're going to try to get y alone. So we're going to get rid of 6 on this side. We're going to subtract it. So we're left with negative 1y equals, what's 6 minus 6? 0, right? Now we are going to be dividing by negative 1 on both sides. And it cancels out over here. And over here it's going to be equal to 0. So therefore our answer is y equals 0, okay? Now we pretty much did the same thing for all 3 of these concepts. We solved for the variable, but some were simpler than others. We took 1 step, 2 steps, and multi-step, which is just more than 2 steps, okay? If you have any questions on that or any problems like so, please make sure and shoot me an email to let me know so I can help you out with it, okay? Very well, everyone. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. For your assignment today, you're supposed to send me a picture of your notes. And if you have any questions on how to work through concepts 7 through 9, please let me know. I'm here to help you guys out with whatever you need. I know I did get a couple questions on some of the assignments this past week. So, again, if you have any trouble with it, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you. So I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon, and I hope you have a very wonderful day.